Let's look into another question. What is the primary cause of respiratory acidosis? A. Hypoventilation. B. Pneumonia. C. Brain trauma. D. Emphysema. The correct answer is A. Hypoventilation. Respiratory acidosis is caused by hypoventilation, which is when the lungs cannot exchange CO2 with the environment due to airway or ventilation obstruction. This causes the excess CO2 to combine with water to form carbonic acid, leading to an increase in hydrogen ions in the blood and a drop in the pH level. Other conditions, such as pneumonia, brain trauma, and emphysema, can also cause respiratory acidosis, but hypoventilation is the primary cause.